All right, folks, that's it. That's the finished piece right there. Yep. She looks good. Got a nice rumple finish to it. I mean, you still see a little bit of the fiberglass material there, but not bad. Not bad. I'm happy with it. I'm sure John will be happy with it. It's a good-looking piece. No one will see it at 150 miles an hour, right? So there we go. We made up a box. We tricked up the box for John, so he'll know who sent it to him. And yeah, we're ready to go. Well, tomorrow I'll go ahead and stuff it in here and tape it all up and take it to the UPS store and send it off to him. I got to call him tonight with the dimensions and the weight. I'll put it on the scale there, and he'll send me out a label, and I'll have Sherry print it up in the house tonight. And so that's it. Project over. Project done. Seat looks good. I'm sure John's gonna love it. It's gonna go in a cart. It's gonna fit him like a glove. It'll be durable. It'll look nice. Yeah, dig it. So project done. On to the next stuff. Right, Rich just brought my big long tank back. He brought the short tank back the day before yesterday. He did a little welding. Remember, we cut some more of this down. He welded this up, and he welded up all those big dents that were in it. Remember those big knob where something was rubbing on it and really messed it up. And we were painting them anyway, so they don't need to be perfect. This here, it had been fixed. And this is just a water tank. This is just for weight. We don't put fuel in it. So obviously, we want to make sure that it's going to hold water. But and we haven't done that yet. He tried to go back over top of here. I wanted him to put, drop some nickels or dimes or something around here to make it look better. But he was all frustrated. This dent was in here. I took the crowbar and sent it up through the fuel filler neck, and you push up on it and series of taps with the hammer, bang, 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 around the edge where it's dented, and lo and behold, bing, bang, boom, she popped right out of there. So we may have to do a little fill in here. This stuff here, this weld that's on here, even the stuff he put is not going to move. Probably not without busting this loose. And then he'd have to weld it again, and it'd shrink again anyway. So yeah, as long as it holds water at this point, we'll just put a little filler on here and call it done, so we can get this stuff ready for prime and paint. Now that John's stuff's out of here, we're going to get the vintage car back out, weld those tabs on that we made for the floor tray, and then we'll get all this stuff ready, hanging in here. We'll hang up some plastic or something, and we'll get it all ready for prime and paint, and get to town and start getting these things on the way back, putting them back together. So that's it. Thanks, John. Appreciate it, buddy. It was a nice little distraction for a week, but it's time to get back to working on go-karts. So off to Chicago you go. Hang in there, y'all. Keep your chin up. We're praying for you. Godspeed. God bless.